possibility if they had the Agent Orange. 2.5 years.
Yeah, it
finally got on it. Finally got on it.
My buddy.
Okay, so yeah.
My buddy, he but he went through
That's why it's got a fuel cell in it. I wondered why it was all welded up.
It should be automatic. I mean, there probably are some cases.
They put a new firewall in the back because they put the trunk in, or the fuel cell in the trunk, and they homemade some floors here that are less than desirable.
7.5, 600, 700, 800. At 800 and 8 and 8, now 9, at 9, now 1,000, and now 1,100, at 1,100, now 12, at 1,200, at Travis, gotta be 12, at 1,200, at 12, 12, 12, at 12, at 1,200, at 12, sold it, $1,100. Your guy, Travis.
361.
361.
Yeah, no,
Runs and drives. So this one actually started.
no, my dad was an Army.
Whew. I'd say runs, but I don't think you're driving it. There's no floors left in it.
1,800. Gotta be 2,000. At 2,000, at 2, at 2, 2,000. Got 18. Gotta be 2 at 2,000. At 1,900. Let's go. At 1,900. At 19. At 19. Does run. 1,900. Got 18 online. Gotta be 19. Yep. Now 2 at 2,000. At 2,000. At 2, at 2. 2,000. At 2,000. Now 21. At 2,100. At 21. Now 2. 22. At 22, 2, at 2. At 2,200. At 22, 2, at 2. Now 3, 23. At 2,300. At 23, now 4. At 24. At 24, now 5. Online. Now 6. 26 with Scott. At 2,600. At 26, at 6, at 6. At 2,600. Whoa, 27. At 2,700. At 27.7, I'm online. Gotta be 7. At 2,700. Sold it, 2,600.
Not too bad. 78.
Got a title.
700.
800.
Yes.
9 at 900.
Hey!
$1,000. At 1,000. 1,100. At 1,100.
It is Iowa.
1,100. Now 12. At 1,200. 12. Now 13. 1,300. At 1,300. Now 14. At 14. At 1,400. At 1,400. At 14.
Title?
Yes. At 14. Now 15. At 1,500. At 15. Now 16. 16. Now 17. At 1,700. At 1,700. Now 18. 18. 19. At 1,900. Gotta be 19. At 1,900. You're all Scott. Now 2. At 2,000. At 2,000. At 222. At 2. 2,000. At 2,000. At 222. Sold it. $1,900.
308.
308.
El Camino.
El Camino, guys, it does have a rusty frame. Rusty frame, Caitlin. I'm actually gonna reject that, and I'm just selling it here. It's gonna pass. Just here, guys. The frame is, my husband crawled under there and said it was pretty crunchy. But look at it. Okay, 500.
Got a title?
Yes. 500. Gotta be 5. At 500, at 555. Now 6. 600. At 500, at 50. At 5.5, at 550. You're in. At 5.5, at 550. 500, at 50. At 5.5, at 550. Now 6. 600. At 600, now half. 6.5. 700. At 600, the blue shirt. 700, gotta be 7. 700. At 700, at 7. 7. At 7. Now half. 7.5. 750, 750, at 7.5, at 750. Sold it, $700. number 9137. 500.
I got 7, how about?
How about 7? Half, 7.5. 800, 800, now half, 8.5, now 9. That 9, I'm right there. Gotta be 9,000 at 1, now 1,100, 1,100, now 12, at 1,200, now 13, 13, 14, 1,400, now 15, 1,500, at 15, at 1,500, at 15, now 16, 16, 17, at 1,700, I'm over here. Gotta be 1,700, at 17, at 1,700, at 17, at 1,700, now 18, 18, now 19, 1,900, at 19, at 1,900, at 19, at 19, sold it $1,800, 365.
Here's the Pontiac G-body, 84 Grand Prix. Actually doesn't look too bad.
Now 12, and 12,
The frames all rot out on these
and
things.
12, now 13, 13, 14, and 14, 15, 16, now 17, now 17, 18, 18, now 1900, now 2, now 21, and 21, 1, now 2, 22, now 3, now 4, and 2100, and 24, now 5, and 25, 26, 26, now 7, 27, 2700, now 8, and 2800, now 9, and 29, and 9, and 9, 29. That's 2,900, now 3,000.
Even money.
Yes, 3,000.
Sounds good even.
At 3,000. At 3,000. At 333. At 3. Sold at 2,900. Woo! Shannon makes you rethink the U-Boat. $59T Monte Carlo got a title. 600. At 606. 600. Got 5. Gotta be 6. 6. 7. Took it over here. 7. Now 8. At 8. Now 9. At 900. At 9. 9,000. At 1,000. At 111. I'm over here. Gotta be 1. At 1,000. At 111. At 1. Now 11. 1,100. Pardon? 11. Now 12. At 1,200. At 12. 12. 12. At 12. At 1,200. At 12. Sold it. $1,100.
It's pretty stripped down. Yeah, it was wrecked pretty hard. You can see somebody's tried to fix it here. So they've actually welded this piece all back on. So the rest of it, I'm sure, is all smashed. Which means the title's probably got back in 97, it looks like.
250.
It's been sitting for a
Right
while.
here. 2.5. Gotta be the $200, guys. Or I'm gonna crush it.
Got it.
200. Now half. 2.5.
Door pins are out of it.
250. Now 3.
The bottom of the door's dragging super hard on the ground effects.
Now 4. At 400. Now half. 4.5. 450. At 450. That's right. It said the C word. 450. At 450. At 4.5. At 450. Sold it. $400. Sold it. $400.
361.
361. Firebird, SC got a title. She's a little smelly.
Excuse me?
And a half, 350. Now 4, at 400, at 444, at 4, at 400, 400, now half, 4.5, now 5, at 500, now half, 5.5, 600, now half, 6.5, 700, 700, now 8, at 800, at 8, 800, now 9, now 1,000, 1,000, at 1,000, at 1, 1,100, I'm up front, gotta be 11, 1,100, at 1,100, at 11, 11, 11, sold it, $1,000, right in front of me.
191.
191. Hey! Camaro there.
Yes!
Now 3, now 4. I'm just doing it here, there, babe. And now 4, now 5, at 500, now 6, 600, 5.5, 550, at 550, 600, at 600, now half, 6.5, 650, at 650, now 7, 7, I'm with Scott, I'm with, right here with whoever he's got. 700. Now half, 7.5, you're both out.
Yes.
Now 800, 800, at 800, at 800, at 800, at 800, at 8. Sold at 750. Scott, who's your guy?
Hold on. 300.
800.
This one's pretty rough.
Now 9. Now 1,000 on line. 800, 900, gotta be 9. At 900, at 999, at 9. 900, now 1,000, 1,000.
Yes.
1,000. I took it over here. You got the 1,000?
Yes.
1,100. 1,100. At 1,100, at 11, 11, 11. Now 12. At 1,200, at 12, 12, 12, at 12. At 1,200, at 12.
12 and a half.
1,500.
15, bud.
1,500. At 15, at 15.
15.
1,500.
You got 12 and I have 15.
Sold it. 12 and a half. What's your number, Scott? This is a dually. Yeah, it's all right. We're good. Got a title. Doesn't run.
2,500.
Now 2750. At 27 and a half, 2,600. At 26 and 6 and 6, 2,600.
Go.
And on 7, 27, 2,700. At 27, 7 and 7, 2,700. At 27, 7 and 27. At 2,700.
Yes!
Now 8, now 9, 29. At 2,900, at least you're not swearing today. At 2,900, at 2,999 and 9, at 2,900. With Travis, 3,000, 31, at 3,100, at 3,111, at 1. Sold at $3,000.
124.
1, 2, 4.
The hood's gonna bend.
I know, they all do.
Yep, that's why I stopped.
I got
All right.
3. I got 3.
3, 400, gotta be 4. At 400, at 4, 4, 4. At 4, now 5, at 500, at 5.
Hey,
Now 6, 600,
hey!
600, now 7,
Yes,
700, now 8,
yes.
now 9, and 900, and 999,
Yes.
and 9, now 1,000,
Yep.
and now 11, 1,100, now 12,
Whoa,
at
whoa.
1,200, now 13, at 13, at 13, now 14,
14,
1,400,
Yep.
at 1,400, now 15, 15, at 1,500, now 16, 1,600, at 1,600, at 16, sold at 1,500, 500.
I got 4.
400, now half, 4 and a half, 450, now 5, at 500, at 5, 5, 5, at 5, now half, 5 and a half, 550, at 500, at 50, now 6, at 600, at 6, now half, 6 and a half, 650, at 650, now 7, 700, now half, 7 and a half, at 750, now 8, at 800, at 8 and a half, gotta be 850, at 8 and a half, now 9, at 909, now half, 9 and a half, 950, $1,000, at 1,000, at 111, now half, 10 and a half, 1050, at 1050, at 10 and a half, at 1050, sold it, $1,000 in front of me, number 31.
This one here, if you notice, this wheel's a little crooked. Yeah, I think they were pushing it back and the wheel's locked up. Broke the leaf spring, or the U-bolts at least.
500,
I know.
got it
I'm
twice.
out.
67 feet.
Two-wheel drive.
I got 400.
Now 5 at 500 at 5, 500 right here. And now have 6 at 600. At 600 at 6 and 6 and 6, 600. At 600 at 6 and 6 and 6. Sold 500. Really smelly inside. Yeah, you can. 500. 3 and a half. 350. Gotta be crushed. 2 and a half. 250.
Yes.
Now kill them. Okay.
100.
300.
Hold on, hold on, hold on.
I have 3.
Okay.
I took 3.
Now half, 3 and a half, 350. At 350. At 3 and a half, at half at 350. Sold it 300 bucks. Crap.
For free.
For free. You're gonna buy that car right there. And I mean it's deep.
Right up here, guys.
500. Parts car. 500 at 500 at 5, 2 and a half, let's go. 250, I'm not gonna go below crush. Gotta be 2 and a half. Now 3 at 300, now half, 3 and a half, 350, 350, you're out. At 350, at 3 and a half at 350, now 4, at 400 at 4, now 5, at 500 at 555, with you Justin. Gotta be 5, at 500 at 555, now half, 5 and a half. Now 600 at 600 at 6, now half, 6 and a half. 650, 650, at 650, now 7, at 7, at 707, now half, 7 and a half, 750, 750, at 7 and a half, at 750, I'm down here, 750, sell it, $700, enjoy your raccoon crap. 238,